everybody, All Pro Exterior Services here with another video. I got some One Restore mixed in a bottle, 1:1, so 50% One Restore, 50% water. I got the same with the NAPA aluminum brightener. This is $40 a bottle, 45 something in that range, and this is 15 bucks a bottle. So again, same mix, 50-50. And then we got this rust stain here. As you can tell, it's been dripping from the pipe on the wall. So what we're gonna do a test. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and wet this down. Wet it all down nice and good. Wet the surroundings. Wear your proper PPE when you're doing this, because this is dangerous. This is acid. You gotta make sure you do your proper PPE. Get it all nice. All right. So we got it wet, and you don't need pressure for this. So we're gonna go ahead with the One Restore. I'm gonna hit it on this board here. These two boards, right here. So. Just give it a minute to dwell. Put this back. And I'm trying not to brush. I do have a brush. Sometimes you got to agitate it a little bit, but you just want to let it sit and do its work. In the meantime, we'll go ahead and, just in case anything got on this unit, we're going to go ahead and spray it down, spray the lines, spray it all. Ain't going to hurt nothing. It gets wet in the rain, so you're good. So as you can see, that's just with no brushing. So let me go ahead and wet the brush a little bit. So if we brushed it, let's see if that changes it. Oh, wow. Look at that. Okay. It looks good. Let's go ahead and rinse it. There is some oxidation here, but it's okay. We're here for rust removal. Look at the rust just coming on down. Rinse it really well. Again, always rinse extra. Remember, dilution is a solution. Okay, so we still got a few spots. So, all right, so on that, so we're gonna go ahead and rinse our brush. We don't want no cross-contamination. Okay, rinse that again. Rinse our unit. Again, dilution is a solution. So now we're gonna try out Mr. NAPA. I'm gonna do these two boards. This is 1:1, and this is like a hardy board. So just for you know, look at that. Jeez, it's almost the same reaction here. So let me get the brush. It's already got some water on it. Okay, let's go ahead and rinse it. Wow, I gotta tell you guys, for the price, with my experience here, again, we're gonna go ahead and keep rinsing. Rinse that line. You wanna make sure everything's diluted in that line if there's anything got on there. Look at the difference. There is no difference. We'll try it one more time. So I'll do this. I try to do half of it. Right side One Restore, left side aluminum brightener. Let's go ahead and wet it. One Restore, right side. NAPA, left side. Let it marinate. Look at it, it's just disappearing. You can see that or not. Trying to get it close up for you guys. Just disappearing. So go ahead and rinse the brush out. Let it sit for a little bit. Do a little quick left side. Wow, came right off. Okay, I'm gonna rinse it again. Just to get no inconsistencies. And the right side. Same thing, look at that. Wow. So the verdict is this, at least according to me and my experiments, is that for 15 bucks you can get the same results as you can with the $45 One Restore, which I'm not knocking One Restore. One Restore is some very good stuff, and it works in all kind of other places. But for the price, look at that. And that's 1-to-1. So you buy one of these, you split it. If you did a 50-50, you know, it's $7.50 a gallon. If you did this one, it's 20 a gallon, 22 a gallon. So I think I'm gonna finish off with that aluminum brightener. Let's go ahead and try it. I'll go ahead and open this up a little bit so I can get up here. A little more. Again, be cautious. Wear your proper PPE. Go ahead and rinse this out. You never want to cross-contaminate chemicals, whatever you do. It's too dangerous. We're not scientists, we're cleaners. Let's go ahead and just do a... Stuff just coming off. Wow. But this is how you upsell. This is what it's about. I mean, rinse it really well. And the AC pipe was leaking. They got that fixed, so it's not a problem anymore. This shouldn't be a problem unless it leaks again. Again, wet your unit, wet everything. I mean, it ain't gonna hurt you. A little water. But this is where you can upsell. You know, a job like this would be, you know, you can charge 60, 75 bucks. Easy. Took you 5-10 minutes. And this is a test. Always rinse again. Extra rinse ain't gonna hurt nothing. Look at that. I see a little bit right there. Let's go ahead and hit it with the NAPA stuff. Okay, hit it with the NAPA stuff. Look, coming right off. Coming right off. It's crazy. Let's go ahead and rinse. All gone. Rinse, rinse, rinse. Alright guys, I think the conclusion of the test is very obvious. Again, aluminum brightener is not made for this, but a lot of people use it for rust stains. This is the first for me trying it out. I'm very confident in it now. Again, do your experiments your own. So this is mine, and just thought I'd share it just to kind of give you a comparison. Anyway, that's it for today. Appreciate it. Again, aluminum brightener NAPA, 15 bucks. One Restore, I think it was 40 bucks plus your taxes. And this is a 1-to-1 dilution. All right, like, sub, call, comment. Peace.